بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay students, first of all of you open page 26. This is page 26. All of you open it. Okay students, on page 26 this is question 7, and question 7 is write the place value of the following numbers. Write the place value of the following numbers. First one is already done. This one is already done for you, and we have to check the correct place value of the following numbers. So the first one is done for you. Let's have a check over there. This is 60. And what does this mean? It means 0, 1s, 6 tens. So we will read them like this: 6 tens, 0 ones. 6 tens, 0 ones. Repeat after me: 6 tens, 0 ones. So this is also very easy. Part B. How we will know the correct place value? Like this: 3 tens, 9 ones. Right here students: 3 tens, 9 ones. 3 tens, 9 ones. 3 tens, 9 ones. Okay students, now the next part: 79. What is this? 79. And what does it mean? 7 tens, 9 ones. 7 tens, 9 ones. 7 tens, 9 ones. Right here students: 7 tens and 9 ones. 7 tens, 9 ones. Now we are on part D, 81. This is 81. What does it mean? It means 8 tens, 1 ones. 8 tens, 1 ones. 8 tens, 1 ones. Write with me: 8 tens, 1 ones. 8 tens, 1 ones. Very good. Okay students, now we are on question 8, which is also very easy. This is question 8, and question 8 is write the correct place value. First one is done for you. We have to write the correct place value. Place value का क्या मतलब होता है? It means कि आपके सामने जो नंबर है उसमें से टेंस क्या है, वंस क्या है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव 62 and we will read it like this: 6 tens, 2 ones. 6 tens, 2 ones. Like this: 6 tens, 2 ones. 6 tens, 2 ones. Repeat after me: 6 tens, 2 ones. Very good. Now part B. Okay students, part B is 8. This is 8? No, there is a number before 8. This is 08. We will write a single digit as 0, 8 or 0, 9, because there is no value of 0 when 0 comes before the digit. Okay, so here comes 0 because there is no tens. Here is the 0, and what will come here? 8. 8 ones. 0 tens, 8 ones. And now this is 80. What is this? 80. What does it mean? 8 tens, 0 ones. Okay students, now we have written here 0 because when a single number is there, a 0 is always before that number. 08, okay, that is imaginary 0. 08, it means 0 tens, there is no tens but 8 ones. And now 80, 80, 8 tens, 0 ones. 39, 3 tens, 9 ones. 77, 7 tens, 7 ones. Okay students, and there's also a very unique trick that whenever you are seeing 2 digits, आपको जब भी 2 digits नज़र आएंगे आपने फ़ौरन समझ जाना है कि there is a 10 and ones there, and you have to write a small TO over here, TO, tens ones, then आपसे कभी भी mistake नहीं होगी. Tens and ones, okay, so 7 tens and 7 ones, 7 tens and 7 ones, 3 tens, 9 ones, 3 tens, 9 ones. Okay students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Now it's your homework time, and your homework is you have to complete question 7 and question 8. This is question 7, this is question 8. You have to complete these 2 questions on page 26, and then you have to share the picture of these 2 questions in your WhatsApp group. Okay students, you have to share the picture of these 2 questions in your WhatsApp group. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.